we are doing level 2 calculus 2023 question 2C2, I believe. Yes, that's right. So to solve this question and next question, we should be able to understand question 1. So I just remind you, question 1 we found v of t, then we found the time taken to stop, right? Now, what we have to do, we have to find s first, s of t, and then we plug 11.11, and then we should show that is a 154, isn't it? That's the aim. Now, first we integrate the velocity to find displacement function. So that's a negative 2.5t plus 27.78. Negative 2.5t plus 27.78 dt. So that means negative 2.5t squared over 2 plus 27.78 t plus c, isn't it? However, c must be 0 because s of 0 must be 0, isn't it? Yeah. Hence, s of t must be minus 2.5 over 2t squared plus 27.78 t, right? Now, then we plug 11.11 into t. So I solve that. That comes out 154.35. So that's approximately 154 meters. Done. Good. So next question says a car with a new brake pads is capable of deceleration of 2.5 meter per square second. However, as car brakes age, they become less effective at slowing down the car. If an older car's brakes were only able to allow for a deceleration of 2.1 meter per square second, what is the highest speed in which the car should be traveling so that it is able to come to a complete stop in the same distance, approximately 154 meters, as the new car described in part 2. So in that case, we have to find the v first. So v is what? Integrate deceleration, which is in this case negative 2.1 dt, isn't it? Which is negative 2.1 t plus c. There is no way we can find the c here right now, but we have to find it out, right? So that is the key, isn't it? That's the speed when the older car stops, right? So we integrate again to be able to find the s. So minus 2.1 t plus c dt, which is minus 2.1 t squared over 2 plus ct, right? And then, well, I'm not going to repeat the c, so I'm going to name d for constant. However, again, here d is 0 as well because s of naught must be 0, right? So d is 0. So s of naught t equals minus 2.1 t squared over 2 plus ct, isn't it? And it says that is 154. Then we have to find c because it takes 11.11 seconds, right? So s of 11.11. So we plug 11.11 into t. So negative 2.1 times 11.11 squared over 2 plus 11.11 c equals 154. Right. So this is solving a linear equation, isn't it? Finding c. So when you solve this, so 11.11 c equals 154 plus 130, so that becomes 284. Hence, C, the speed at the older car stops. So 284 divided by 11.11 gives me 25.56 meter per second. So it should slow down. Do you remember the new car? The velocity speed was at 27.78 to stop in 11.11 seconds, and that was 154 meters, right? So if the car is older, then you have to slow down 25.56 meter per second to stop in 11.11 seconds, and same distance, isn't it? All right. I hope you enjoyed this. All right. I will see you next time. 안녕.